If you want to add a picture in Lucidchart, this quick tutorial will show you 2 easy ways to do it in just a few steps. Whether you want to upload an image from your computer or use Lucidchart's built-in image library, you'll be able to place pictures onto your diagram, flowchart, or workspace fast. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's start with the first method, which is uploading a picture directly from your computer. First, open your Lucidchart document in your web browser and make sure you're inside the diagram you want to edit. Once your canvas is open, look to the top left area of the canvas and click the More menu, which is usually shown as 3 dots or lines. After that, hover your cursor over Insert. This will open a menu of content options you can add to your document. From there, click Image. Now Lucidchart will prompt you to choose a file from your device. Browse through your folders and select the picture you want to insert. Once you've found it, click Open or Upload, depending on what your computer shows. Lucidchart will then bring the image into your workspace. From here, you can drag it into place, resize it, and position it exactly where you want it. This is especially useful if you're adding screenshots, logos, reference images, or any visual element that supports your diagram. Now let's move on to the second method, which uses Lucidchart's built-in image library. This is a great option if you don't already have a file saved on your device, or if you want to search for a specific graphic inside Lucidchart. To do this, open your Lucidchart project and go to the primary toolbar on the left-hand side. Click the Images icon. Once the image panel opens, you may see options like images or icons. Choose the one that fits what you need. Next, type a keyword into the search bar. For example, you can search for things like folder, laptop, camera to camera, people, or any other visual symbol that matches your diagram. Then click the magnifying glass or search button. Lucidchart will show you related results that you can use in your canvas. When you find the image you want, just drag it onto the workspace. After that, you can move it around, adjust the size, and place it into your design wherever it makes sense. If you're using images in a professional diagram, it helps to keep them clean and organized. Try not to overcrowd the canvas and make sure your picture supports the message of the diagram instead of distracting from it. You can also use images to make presentations more visual, add clarity to process maps, or highlight important steps in a workflow. So to recap, you can insert a picture in Lucidchart either by uploading it from your computer through the Insert menu, or by searching for an image inside Lucidchart's own image library. Both methods are simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. If this helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Lucidchart tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.